This is my new multi-band fan dipole antenna with elements for 40, 20 and 10 meter, which will also work on 15 meter. Hence, you can call it as a 4-band antenna.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for 59 plus 20. You touched the 59 in the last over, John. Thank you very much for 5920. What is the setup?
That was Sierra 79 Victor Uniform from Seychelles, coming here 59 plus 20 decibels thanks to his hex beam towards view and his solid state homebrew 600 watts linear amplifier. Previous day I had heard him 59 plus 30 decibels, which was the highest ever signal strength I have ever heard a DX station with. He gave me a 5 and 9 report and I was quite happy. This is the propagation map on reverse beacon network over the past 8 days since my multi-band fan dipole was mounted. CQ calls in CW are picked up by various stations with CW skimmers and automatically posted to the RBN, and it is available for viewing at the online portal within seconds. It is very useful to assess the propagation from your amateur radio setup. You have to type in your call sign in the spotted DX box for getting your personal results. Filters for bands and period are available. The image can be zoomed in or zoomed out if needed. The map shows that my signals were picked up by RBN at North America, Europe, Africa and Oceania. Red spots indicate stations which have installed automatic RBN skimmers. We have 3 in India: VU2TUM, VU2CPL and VU2PTT. Decided to check propagation on 40, 20, 15 and 10 meter as usual by sending out CQ calls and monitoring reverse beacon network. A pleasant surprise was awaiting me in the form of a new personal record on 2 bands. My call was picked up at 3 Delta 2 Alpha Golf, Fiji on 15 meter and 20 meter with signal to noise ratios of 11 and 8 decibels respectively. That is a fantastic distance of 11,718.9 km. Today I could improve my personal record a bit more when my CW signals were picked up by the RBN skimmer at TI7W from Costa Rica at a distance of 16,755.8 kilometers. My next aim is to continuously listen to the bands and try to convert these pickups on RBN to actual two-way contacts with those regions. I'll also have to improve my CW skills for that, especially with most stations operating at high speeds these days.